Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can purchase Microsoft Office product key with a very cheap price. Most of the Microsoft Office package are really expensive, and not everyone can afford to buy the whole package. So I'm going to show you how you can get a full version of Office key for lifetime activation. Let's get started. So first of all, you need to go onto your Google and log into your eBay. And sign in. And then type in Microsoft Office 2019 Professional Plus. As you can see, the prices are too expensive, about 60 to 100 pound. And this one is on bid. So I'm going to show you how you can get a cheaper one. So on there, select lowest price plus postage from, and then on left hand side you can select buy it now. So buy it now, yeah, and then select worldwide. There you go, it's only 13 pound, £3 13 pence. So go on to it. You'll have to read the description as well, so make sure it provides the download link and the key. So this one sends you the key and the download link, and it will give you all the instruction how to install, and it's lifetime activated, and it supports all of the languages. Hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.